And I don't know. Best for you, good for you. And I shall say. Brack Roberto.
Well. Please, Alligator Sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Alligator Sports. A papa. So listen to Alligator Stop. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Thank you too. Prof.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too. Sisi.
Order for me in this Sisi Chum. Na debia miti Irrigated Sports. There's no day minti Irrigated because miti manage na me stressa.
Stress no so dead. Mu ye. Right ma.
Yeah. Boy. You're listening to Irrigated Sports. Minimos, Irrigated Sotos, Irrigated Sports. Achisa. Boy.
Agwaba.
I'm not doing what I did want you.
What Daniel correct to say?
What now penny be
papa. Yeah.
Maybe mean to be.
I don't pay nani idea just say muye sa ni idea.
I will tell the quite a caring go.
Oh, die.
So for good 1,000 because
what I know said the beer say ya ne be ya. Okay, yeah. Oh, on sweat basa sao. Condition ground so crowd
exactly.
Oh, not to say. So no musa na kwa. Oh.
The Kawada Ninja say, am I? I na me tie ufoni segment how ya ma for frefre.
Confessions.
I na me be so because obi no be twempena say just.
So onipa on ware no ne so ore no.
Just one da na yam pra one na de yam pra na one.
So one ye dia.
So one na de yam pra won.
Debi ana.
Me because no I confused. We ba
akwasa tie omo kan nyina so no omo ron. Who said omo ebi kan around my mabam. Enti no illegal one na one kan.
Because
so ubetimi aka say ebia me ne oba bi hihye ho. Ye twen aware ho. So ate ase. Ba ebia na munyanwe.
Ba onwe anya ompra no won.
Na me kan say ubetimi ne oba bi ahihye ho. Say bia me ne oba we hihye ho a ye pese ye ware. Mo nwe mo ho ye. So na mo hihye ho. Mo steady mo ho.
Empratwe no won. And number man be empratwe na say and then nim koye.
Just say beside Jabri famum.
No me Papa besi do nim say man papa. So we be wo na ne na ya still am twe mpra na.
Okay, see you. Yeah, ma uze twi na na do ba bia eden na limitations kakra o. Yem fan bra bro from near is very easy. So
yem fa aware
courtship. O de yen start no. Yeah. Unse obi ni obi
court
ya. Unse eno no. Ye obi ni mo ho no mo omo ya. Abstinence ne de omo giremu ate so on be wire.
Omo ya omo
courtship na so ebi no so everyone. Also omo ntrifie mom so no omo we.
We go we weekend.
What we go sana in the afternoon grana was papa na ho de.
I don't know ni nyina
papa na ho.
Because we say omo ma ware omo sa wo mpana. Na me nim say obi ani wo a obekoko wa ware o sa wo mpana o say ono ne hye ho kwa. Ono ne nna.
Wa ware.
But o sa wo
na wo de o again.
Enti
na ne ko fa.
People say task kwa na man na yam plana na. Task kwa ne be mo na na plana na.
There be what the another point about.
Yeah.
Yen fan say yen taking it from that point say you are married and you have a side chick. Side chick no all no. And no
still
years and then just already an
mo me so ware ye nyina mo so twempana ngasa ne de
we je me say wo we no I'm beginning to understand from that point because our for be on more but I say we will be on the side.
My research about 80% of married men in Ghana
and on where they
almost our girlfriends
80%.
Oh, I'm only ambassador, but it is the truth.
80,
I'm telling you.
Hey.
Yeah, we be more harm work girlfriends.
Our girlfriend but on any
na but on anything komo
is that one to a girlfriend.
Oh, be more hosa.
Any uncle fight now you know you must uncle
on person he be this
I can't say
on any flirt that's the right way. When you say flirt and necessarily having sex.
I know about
men like that. Obu ko ti ma get no kra e ron ho chichim ne ho an wo ko on ne na
Masa.
Na 20% ne kura aka na kura me san hwehwe mu no. Nema mienu bi na masa 20% for no. Eloko obi wa wa yemre. E wo mpam. Enti no odi bi ntia osa kofa ga na yire kura ontimi nwie sa adwuma na ofie. Na 10% na kan so yes kasem. Ayo mo se nyes kan de pep makwa kunya no kura.
Enti omusika kasem kosra.
Sa dodo na.
Won san we man kan.
Bebre no a. Makwa me dey case study na assemblyman. Na yire nim so
mpam. Sama we dey okofa sa issue we be pay. And what say wabam.
Kwaku no assemblyman.
Say massa in a traditional society courtship is valueless. You can't tell me you will come to me
in the name of courtship and just walk away.
Yes, in the sense of courtship, and then no scope to manner.
Scope to that.
My room is not Wembley Sports Stadium. Yeah.
Well,
and also for that we know.
Kwaku ya say and kakana makana krampo. Sikasem ne home papa ba kom de me here case na o assemblyman na yiri kodi ne ho adanse e wa so dem se ni kru de onyame yina ma na o obi a ma asem de tani na ma o ba ye MP as o pia 2 weeks no ma
so o dwagu mo
se sikasem akosoro e ja fe na ne ma pe no aba
stress
o mo de release stress bro
so go for ma se o mo de
anu na mo de release stress
yes, pressure in Bassa.
My friend,
oh, wait, bra.
So, oh, my, one can cool. Almost my driver.
No, why, and you hey, bra. But it won't go quite goes on about
honorable mother. When you say honorable Bacona, I go so move.
Sandia Zidu was really Munipa send the test now, kind by, but I agree with him.
I don't want to Wembley Sports Stadium. I
agree with you.
That is going to be very, very difficult. Sorry for no me, yes, I know. Oh, yeah. So when you're bar,
say me to me,
bar, now, what's on no about them?
My best are no call.
Or by your
can
into me.
Oh, come here easy.
I can't do it.
Oh, you can do it.
I will not try.
No, if Okasa obey, you can do it. Oh, Maza.
Yeah, you never was meant to have Konya Swa, and nobody must. What has to do with feelings and emotions?
Oh, come here, you can do it. So, Obana bound chain. Now, I need to Madin Como, Bear say 30 to 1 hour. Open. We are the mama over also penal. Or also pel. But the mama over Mumia no more agree, say you are not doing it until you get married. Babu to make case there. Oh, you know,
Kwaku, Nitini Conquadia, Yakanova Twas. Saturday, my country. On way also, and why am Merena or that them? To that them one or two say, and conform to do in the future. I could see a trouble, Pajamami. You say, and I said, when that's a pajama, so wouldn't patch all the community patch or Pajama, or Pachawa, and I feel like I know Barnes 1 penny, or catch again and say, oh, dear, only Yaman, and Tuano. Well, now cast up on a papa Jibas and no acquiring about new body, and will be any friends or say, Ura or Bois. A man for the man will be crowd their dance, but is here also a easy amper. So no on only me parenting, who say, easy person make I think count. But you see, I don't know why. Okay, fine. We are all not the same. I say we are making a biana. Salad nuti, am I a kakra? To the men come baby and I met those days, no. But, and cry out, baby, some time ago, na me yeah a brand team who are fin and I'm a messy soon. And the girl, some nice girl like that too. Where hustle this girl, Amasa, they get me tough. Oh, yeah. Now, Passawaji. Also from my action. Yeah. I've come 2019. And I told my dream and pen baby time. And none want the beer house, Anna, or the buy. On was a match. If you buy, as I didn't so buy, them send up a beer to go be a new one contractor. If you name it there. Ena menendem komoza then times no enya ni nne ya na satan piomon call eni bi no ne so video cassette bebre so ba me pay bi ba ko hyemu ni ade a techo ye hwehwe movie no tete me nchen so fa mu ane ade a feel I say what as a person what they ade ma me person what they ade oh show science
ai timuna me so kakra na ade e kwa de bezie romance ye biare na no kakra na ade me hu ya che se ororo
wadwa ororo ho
ha na me ka che se o menye ntini mo ha no me ka che film bi na me menye
eno wanye
eno manye
eno
okoye oni me yaka one solid year na get oni me nkasada
me
so asem ya okay o kanyina me tie usa
enti me nim de enti boys enti me show mo o kasa won ya
me sad no ye me no de bro
sad no ye enti na dwant me ya gra no ye fa enti se me nye enti
na ye
ba why ba ya nya wo hwe bunfu no
but this same asem you me kan boys bebre also no me de e den ara ka me ya wi ara me na
dem so bi ho no obey for change reasons obekata na ni aye wi anu akata na
me ye na nkwase ni me twem se kan adwuma twa nam enti me twem se kan rough o se na nkwase ni kita se kan o de nam na o pa ko twa nam enti me dia me no me so ka kwana no se wo ba bi obai nkomo nya da me nyi
ba o de asema dika ka cho dada medical ka cho say yes see quiz omunya
Asante say yours was not natural, it was a revenge.
O de na natural na ya revenge kwaku afi what you say na ya revenge no
but still betimi a resist this hard no
easy
enti uni oba nda ntu bewu enti uni oba na ntu bewu
kwaku ga na krebu oba ya otwumaku ama wo ayi wa bie ne boka ka otwumaku nya de ekono ngudo wusu wani wo ho yes wani afra
boy ma
esa so
uni nufu na wo so sa
na keke no de na di ahyem osinya no wo su na kwaku nipa
na e bonyu school party na
timi de besa cotton ne de sala ne de embassy na ko sala ne
na afa ne mo nza wadwen ye mo kwa e mo andanfo no o tai besam na mo mai wadu obufia mo yesterday pa
ata pa no kana so badanfo no ba no be madanfo no be ma se be secondary school na me de ge bi ko fi se ma madanfo ni o wase be mpan kwa asem sta ko fie wa badanfo no ba
petro ni jesia
be madanfo no be ma wa ma ga ne kran tran fie
ba kwa kuni za asema o kenyina no se na mo hye mo so ne obi titi woni mo question obi za se abranti na no ye adwuma de
eh adwuma pa
oh na sa o de mi ora judi ye mani ani mo
kwa of consensem
de na ba
bia no yakobo aya ye taibusa se tournament ya yakobo sika san ani ade ko e ba twempanifu atwema atode bi ko timi ko tournament ni wie ansana ya wuse ya di ene koye ana bi ne de ko ento we di amam fast at ebisa se yakoko duru Dubai Abu Dhabi ne ntimi anko yakoba bi foforo ya se resort bi a hoye kama kra asen Abu Dhabi nanka yakọ no awon yakọ settle ai nra training asase and then no mo jima no pa no
na so mo ye kranka man betimi ne on akọ ne former ifu yi ayin no se wan se ho makoda and on facility kama pa baby akane
resort no baby ko sina kaya
wa say nti o san fa mo nko dia mo dia ni nyina
my we say o baby a onya de odum da ko
so kama pa aka
o baby ko fa mo nko kwa ko maka duru ase train ase ndra every Monday no na no pa no mo je won treat no mpomo a na you say by 11th let's say 11 days before the tournament so obi ade ne list eba say nipa we na me ba besi akan we say besi na ye nyi ye you know ye ba two friendly matches ye ba Namibia na ya South Africa it's assume say after some matches we na coach be say we na jina na so and I say we na enya na so but who be as I say 11 days before the tournament there according to CAF no na obia at the list haba I be so the abobo no opani match ya yakobo is kasam dey tempesa blaster ayirom no no esa sika wo papa awa obedi nkunim no sika kukuye pa na etutu ma ma ya ko fie enti no I don't want us to be participants
there be match there
afcon ya yakobo
o kan me ka say
there be friendly matches no there and say Canada brain but me ka say wo be wini no wo sika kase pa wo je see them cannot ase and na apart from that, what about to me? So just scanning more do. It's in say be a blaster for the quack. Say yes, I see a copy near Kobe Keke. I won't find some to say, oh, more bo a winnie at the tournament. No, crew and the bagana.
Okay. And that's an opinion. Can
another catch home.
There be Nanado catch home some Quajamra. And a coaching so say, or Quaquajaba. Into your only players or wait with you, Maconi. It is a radio. I don't know any players. Nadia, we hasn't been with you. And
I need just some kind of say, young Amoshe, credit come $260,000. I know the team be up 2014 in the BRGB. so what you say disaster we can be do kwada $260,000 now Nigeria ho ne defense you discover be fear $4.5 million.
Wow, 4.5.
Now you na ayi omampanya be dey call China akwaje $4 million loan. Yeah, it is a boat. Let's remember $4.5 million.
Say be ne asem.
What you say? A loan be anywhere change. We free.
Now we players na ko na we need that so say iska we baba.
Asem we no we say. Akwami must be we need that so say erade di me be see. Achi to the nara. Minya me. Obani se si ade me ntumi. Asa me Ghana ni de make asa Ghana winya me pe.
Nese wakoma so ade.
Na so
de wakoma so bia so na.
Football anyam paibo nka Israel for na je World Cup. Sanka football yam paibo a ene nkom sha nka Israel for na ba je World Cup.
Okay. Ebi mo so see juju. Ke juju anka malam for na bo.
Na kwaku musam koda go e. Yani am for kwaku musam na go na ayi. Wan kra bo bi wan na bi wa ha. Agada mo 7.
Na omo fa.
Ka jina post wan so.
Omo ayi malam fatao dan kore. Na ko no jina be 2.
Obi na India for ne twem.
Enti kwaku anya dronti no ayamode mo. Any hard work na ya deje Afcon enti omo nyira mo bo. Kwaku video bi trend minutes onya bi ahwa.
Emu de we.
Tafo se ye de no.
Let me hear.
Branch no de wonya ba bia nkoja nanan. Asa tafo se ye.
Oh cha enti sa ejana enti. Nkrofo nyai. Unim se eno ida ben.
And right Monday.
No, Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday anyway. Kofu bebre as usual. Beetroot Titanic way.
Yeah.
Amanfo gua ne ade. Eye say esmu e ba kakra no. Me drive wo kwan no ho no mo a. Masa. Me gina ho no mo a baby a me hwa. Me make you 10. Tu say car no dan say na light no to far train no. Train no e kwan no so na chi say no. Bema koduopo akoto wa che say
ba ko pe na hu ye
oh akwa na nan ho
na no choko
me kan light no ton so afi me hwe na
ne tu yuku
na nka so ma nete
me bisa so masa ade na we wa yina ni won fi mi kura na ogusu koto na
onim se ba bi ho a ye kusi ajanan bia ma omo ajanan bia ni ni a omo fa ajanan bia na nim se ya no makokoto akiri no ma jaw manan
kwaku me ko ba bi okokoro bi tempo ba bi na omo tempo na no ya chem me ne me krama ni tum pass na so ho de ma me nko adan mo se ho na ma ni jaw manan kasi ya chem male and female
oh man
kwaku na me no bi di komo wa brochire na ye video call ana rubber esa ne nsa no ne kraman na me se na rubber na adani se mabu ana o se da bi rubber na ekita no kraman ni jana nan ya fa so chiro wa £100
wow kraman de
kraman obefa na krom ha de odasani afri fie kra se me ko jama na aba wa ba ko tompo ano na wa rurezi ne to na woni me se na ya mo na mesere se na ja pade ne de on pese ni pa behwe no de no a kire po no se pudo obi ani ma wo ma no atane ne mada na on the toilet you achira krom na pro no jana na
o say hoye highly inflammable ho na inflammable
won adwenfu a woni patim hwe na Akufo Addo ka say oba Ghana aye one of the cleanest city in Africa yes no kan
na eno de o kan na say bebem
na ano so kan yes on ne yiri Rebecca na ba be yewu Rebecca anko fa shovel na na amfa pan ensoa ama mu mechinchi obi afie etese yankasa enti de na si waterfall se egwagu efa bi no punishment na no ye den bada kwa no so do ye na ye
o se den anu ye den
okwa no je na na amusia ono se ha de esi imam enti toilet no sase obotum na kwa so kasa sase oboto hwe na beti na beti ya tunu ya emu toilet iboko video no me yi a kire o mu toilet oboto ni botom fuwa
na akwa na o ma abrante ne faade no o he video na o mu twa no o mu di ka twa na nantu na hwa nantu esi abaka se footballer ansa na beti e beba na hwa betre ne be ma body odi gina ho na so kasa sesa one sana is
open at the share
the video let me more first one asa akuni dey esre kra
me see me ha ho
more first one am calling some na ka debris kakra
say aka nya ne ejempo one
oga be debris no na fu akwaboto mo ya ma na punishment before say
we are there me just now
interesting
for interesting
anya say ofiti na say conversation cause one say it bet ma do say obesa sana no wa
na ho na action no one ni wa hwe dia no right
acquire branch and didn't you fast. Maybe for support no ya but any people who come
no punishment no ya dey. Say your mun na san kon be jai san sen fun no mudi no.
How dare you
say?
Now you say you win the first time. We can say nkofo bi ko China for bi. E won po no. E mo so mo sign. Almost sign on the go matter dim na je o de fa kwa.
And na kwa say ahoho gina nkofo bebre kasa ba we de kumasini ni kumasini e na e se no se da bi. Aha na yesie imam. Aha na yesie alagifo. Ndu meja wa na wa hasasa se obotom. Ba na boy no de apology aba. Apology no. Two ways.
The society no.
The man society no. Apologize say o man de say ni botom. It say Muslim line no fata. Say o man ni no faja nan e de say ni botom.
It in convention.
Say you go be to am na bi na like you should take care of the fees but na say o de be say ni botom.
The ontiase. O de say ni botom so obetumi akotutu am na o ba bi no de akwasha.
Opening. Na kwa ka mo no betra ko fie
there bi ontiase. Eti otutu ye no. Ye fan say o man necessary no. Eti convention no de akwasha ba bi kwa.
Ya bi ka hona kwa no betuma na tutu am na ana de nwia bi aguso. Me
asase na yesie mpanyufo na ono ka.
Say wonya jana na awie. Akwa kwase manye. Wadi ka anye na dada. So, etopani utimi ka jana say on function botom sa. Enti ono apologize wie ye no. Ana de ono so koja na nan e wo ase ye no so. Apologize say wanye ne yie. Ohun sa de na wo ye antwa yie.
Enko so say twa do man do ka ho.
Na kwaku toilet didi agro na.
Didi agro.
Toilet didi agro. Komo asa man for didi agro.
Hwa toilet didi agro side.
What we go beach. What do su ko be pire rubber back shoti. Opa amfa unsanka. Na sa fa oti shemboko. We say ukoyi rubber na she de bom.
Obeka say na say abrofo no de yi bi by say Ghana ye beaches ukọ ha. Ubedware be wie no na ejanan wo.
Akwa no so be try Cape Coast no yes research no.
Until because of that no omo caution abrofo no say omo ba Ghana omo nko beaches nkodwae. Eti obi ejanan na ono akoja no. Ebe wi ase na government so na tourism destination na tourism nipa no ba onware. Ono ne nkodware na ade be che won fa krosa krodo so fa nkunu krum.
Onye.
Afeza arawo 7 say sa tourism ni mani ma esika. Obi ko beach ani eton san obeto bia no. Ye kebab ho obeto bia we. It say the toilet say beaches na omo ba omo nkwa.
And on the fourth income earning in Ghana. Tourism. Fourth, first na third. And oil buy. And a piako fourth. It is here but na say mama for the giant sana abegu tourism mo Ghana dey na say ya.
Kwaku public toilet ko amoje say.
Esu bia na de omoje. First no two afọ enu me here you.
Our grades. Who say
okay,
highest grade omo fine.
Highest grade the best.
Water closet dey be near dey. But I'm say usually jama 1 cedi no mo dey na.
Ebi 1 cedi.
And ebi 2
cedi 50 pesos. Na me ko bi so aboso kan na 2 cedi.
It depended.
We say okofa atidua. Na se far yam na o try ko na se okọ 5 times in a row.
There's a 10 cedi score. It's not ya only for bush no because obu no need 2 cedis. And toilet so be kan wo hwe so was ka so niska on the beta beta. E dey betimi ampanifo sisi ni bebre.
Ono ai se ho chende onya besra wa besra. You dey be dey wa wase.
Ampanifo sisi ni bebre no mo tete so. Esu bi as enye free mpo. Abrotemye so say ukọ public toilet da.
No move you.
So you guys go to a more
Kromu ana metena ngasa me nko public toilet na metu kwa na me ko.
Odia ho na nkyere ho. Public toilet go
bi tire onipa on ase we ameka bi ni mu nte ase. Ade a de be show ho. Etimi ka ho.
Jaka
hardly will say once in a while be na bia onipa ho betimi a chew.
We dey why lock in da bia we do Thomas kitchen.
Anopa enye ne
sa. Na obi ahunu katikwa bia ma na nye. Na odi yo beti ko. Abo first one. Second one. Tell about kurudo ni abo. Baby awo bia lande. Say what you play on the phone. First kurudo about kurudo.
First one na enyaba pe na abo wani so.
Abo ka
yes. Na ringing tone no.
Aya kurudo side do aka kurudo. I drop we abegu sisi.
Last one there. And the Anthony Joshua blow your GA.
I can't want to
come one and wait.
Kwaku. Enya so bi said na o say bia. O so me dey person German na rough.
Na bi so e osubambone.
Ebi obi wa sorry akwa onya na o sorry na odware ati kuro. Dabi onipa sorry first thing that is what you need to do. O de show ho e be ka ho.
If you
anajo ukoda the last thing you do then you shower then you sleep. We hear say ya constantly. E be part of you. It is a ukoba bi kura na data just you know you feel like going to do it.
I was so
what I say.
Unim say we monye. na se betimi aka wa so ya no pa petit bread kese ba
kwa kuma advice we dey mfa hold on
kunya tea bread kese ba
ya funu wawie to asabe so ya funu bon
onim za masa
to asabe ne so se sia no wasa yi yam nyina o du station asaka so ko be se nyame
e betimi abasa yi dia mo
eti kwa kuya na no se me na Makra Central me phone area mu ho e ka me say me next option Bank of Ghana me go bia o
ko na oni mo bia ntia onko
go there
o da bisa no aso agba
masa
uduru anu ache
confront office one ko ka che ayi
enya Ghana commercial bank
you can still go there
Bank of Ghana do ma kwan
omo ma kwan
Bank of Ghana
o confront ku be nia
mo say
be nia Bank of Ghana go to
o masa jai ade Bank of Ghana enye nipa na eduma what are you talking
Bank of Ghana una mo nchai kra police ni timbe ka cho se jo wo ya be na no do na kwan nchai
ya be say se be try ho a ka ni mebu ase
enti on enter Bank of Ghana dine
ani mo toilet go inside
I'm so go inside that.
What is your mission? Say toilet. You be poor.
That's how be am money so
the best place I na be me meet me room. Me office na ho. Na isa say na adodo re me ntimi rush to ground. My say toilet roll because the me land we after because na ba say toilet roll. Me sure also no toilet.
Do you the other?
Ko in fast akwanya so me country government institutions e wo krum ase. Say be toilet wo bia no make sure say all the paper e be so. Nobody walks around with toilet roll in his pocket.
No, but you should.
Why should I be walking around with toilet roll?
One am kromu ana okura toilet tissue ho.
At least also on your tissue.
I said bottom.
Masa,
unim that the
Emma you different. Me look at me. Look at me.
And you sit on me.
We say
what are you talking about? No. This one for their own support. The man na o ka dia. Omo said the omo tie ntino. Debi omo na mo ano mo abo omo. Now be ma so na mo who grow tissue.
E ma paper.
I say we there.
One said you sit there me nim say.
O debi say man no. Aya na due to infections near the adi ntino bi won mo nam no okura ne ayi sanitizer.
So omo
osan kura san wo ne hand cream. Ansa na osan wo ne tissue a o use ne ade. Na bibia betimi asi oba bi wa onim se ne menses nyandue but shock etimi mo bi nya premature menses enti obi no omo nam a osan wo sa pad ne ade bi sanction enti omo de omo nam a
and fully people I was on point mo ko fie ko dana sama kom boys wo to mbese e bia be se
wo de
no kro wo nim ni nya ba wan kan no wa ja
no me no
baku hwe aban adwuma be bre wo krom ano toilet ho all right but ukwa toilet paper any so tell me bisa say enipa na omo be visit you no hospitals me call ayi hospital be trauma we ni bakwa ne so the whole toilet na one about 9 of them not a single toilet room
it
oyare for the bar no
no aboa ade no so
san wa ho e kra man ken
eti onte dem chona se hwe ewi aso bebu am oja na ente se de wanka se oja na
ente say
ebi ni se okoya
aban supply toilet room man nya che boto man
eti na meka se ebi ni se okoya na ebi ni hoyi eti ga wo na kwa aboa ho dada we kenye case
hwe na me din ko bobu we fra mi fia brochire unim se menstrual pad ya nkwala use yi okwa brochire school mu a at the house toilet room tell the toilet roll down no say na menstrual pad no egulo kam wo ta kwala bu ni say school a na fe no be friend ma me ofie
eno ya broche
na da ye mo a ye ye nipa
o te Ghana ha akwawe we so yes ama menstrual pad
how much is toilet roll AMA as an office they can buy one and put it there for customers. I come to your office for business and I go to your washroom and I can't get a toilet room.
Where asem we o be ya na maka asem me nya asem
ka
where me makoba bi da baby ministry bia ye koye no sabe sem na awuja na wie kura de horo ye nsa no obi ato ne de
and I say look am kwa na de I dey say
am for the toilet roll am de bia jana mencho trick na ne say o kwa abo awo
kwa kuti quick one de kwa ne say na fe de mi hu say na be ya me pa me ho ameko mi ntimi so pie ma me ka say obi nko toilet room reme enti mi ti odin ma fa bia fa
na oni
handkerchief no
na oni pocket pad
no handkerchief
mi handkerchief
na pocket pad en so nka
ti de kwa ne say me yi me shirt na me yi me singlet me this singlet because me I can't walk around me clean here and toilet so ma lock nenya bim nation na shata wale bim nation here dey beto hokuma na bim nation
and the French
I don't bet me tia so kura ampa well I shata wale here dey almost spread no ma nya bim nation say go nya shata wale
and your movement
yes apart from say a tournament round ring na kura a blast and tell me you singlet go as me catch you one year
boy mo ba
and I'm cleaning me ho fine and I'm watching the sun.
Now I go am there.
Oh, me buy pen me catch we say kwaku. Amani akoto me ni. But my first English no one show say my one be san dey asre me.
O be try this.
So ahuni ehia.
Bro.
Kwaku.
Yeah.
Woni ka ya preko.
Footballer.
Yeah, footballer ya preko. Say the under 20 na man. So me coach. Abanti obakaya why assistant coach amankofo bebre osako PM Nigeria so ekoye coach bia say the man on one kasa ni team say onhwe so one fantastic guy ya preko so kaya preko info one fantastic ball Ghana team na okosua coaching na kwaku useni bebre wo mu wie ball bonom koye coach sa and time farm mo sa but I think say we any kotoko coach current kotoko coach CK they are doing very very well. They are doing marvelously well. I just say, yeah, then Pibo.
Then Chay shall say for my board there.
Accept me, no. Now, only that 20 come to be unqualified. Yeah, tournament I 2019 cup to under 20, no one to be unqualified. Yes, a team in yet. I mean, they tell me my team in Jawi and Sana. How many map pay? Could make us out here? I told them, yeah, say to 2 on my own side, the bros on my benia. I had, but ain't no coach, no. The materials are there. To obey, may send us a Omra, I'm a bomb wedding, na Bibia and Yakamaka. Ora nyantati so akasa o de chese asama eto no se wo probi ato na wo de na wo de beto Muhammad ho
okay so no ye inti
o Muslim na kwaku ya kan Muslims asemi de yemfa sa kwanya yi so na yemma ye nuano Muslims nyina barika de sanla
barika kade
se o be wie enne me boa
enra no mu wie
ana na mo kwa sorry enne na ye didi ochina na kwaku unni Muslim ga bia
Davi.
Ofa bida.
Ai.
Ofa bida. Ba woni ni ho sei.
Obisa masema mo.
Davi ba se woni ni ho.
Ah. Me so si mi ni bi. Ndi ho say.
Ba ofa bida. Agwa ofa bida.
Se ma fa bida, se mi fa bida mi ni bi.
Because omo kwa bi omo fa so che na mo a. Minim se ya kire omo mosque ho. Se hin omo sua no. Wo ye dem timi nti. Kwa kunya ize o. Enti ayi. Ah, wo kire ya be di.
Se omo hata o.
Hata na sa wache
omo kuma bua no we omo de sen
sa nam no we obi apadufude na oni obi didi na yes o tam kese na mu na
ko be boka
cause e hwe wanu na ye kese na etu na ye kese sa
o se obi aribia man kanya nyame na be man kasa America
etoku no ofa kese ya do
ofa na e keto abu na
ani bre bon
na chance abubo mu afi na ye kese afi ni e che dia afi amafo re no se no akwa no yensu
e mani nsu
na eno so unim se wonu nsu a se be ye be gura wo yem no twu minim saa twu sulum saa na akoto fomo
kwa kunya heaven dia anko nipa de wo Christian girlfriend na wo Muslim girlfriend wo fa na kakra saa
no akofo ba girlfriend
omo ni celebration bia because
one I got yours omo ni celebration bia
omo afa so
consider o
na why
and heaven pa because ochina say menche de nimo bia o Muslim o ben me a obeche saa na me bia mame tu nimo bia
fatu and rose da dynamic ye o tema ne de na when ron bi de papa do a on be ban and nam ye be wa be ba office bia but ye bank ran haina
Hasn't California show board.
Oza enkran kasa no kwaku ya ba nkran amafo dia as a de chemi kof
ana mi ken
California ntia
haide ya on to ade kra
ana competition e doso usani as ye go
on to ade
wa tema so de monopoly
ye o tema de no to ade ye o tema de
na we ko chase anko bi asase fa fasi esa so nim so chena de be so
e
but omo no ye Muslims no achana mo surprise ye odo mo chenam ni wi am friend ni amra ma wi bi chese ye bro nya ye no mo na di ye e ka bro nya ba chese o mu nya mo twa yi kra ti sra mo a se sala na ba o mu ye ka dina mu o mo ye mo am friend
ni kwaku answer be ko no feedback biaba say ukọ hospitals ne aban nyuma ma na tiro ni ho yes kan na mo di bi ko na ti say den ka ko
workers ni kofi
tobo enya workers mpo ti say den ka ko bura ha ko ja na nipa no kwa na isa card na she finfin no we ye firi no mi aso na tra no de ahye butu no de kofi
kasen
o ya ya bonio
kasen
se wa ko ba
bia so toilet tissue na ko fa dia kofi
etina na unze obi adidi am atam to pick control bar recorder
o de kwa den
say what did you
o di ko si fie ya
I think that is no excuse say your modern technology a obetimi toilet tissue a share ade ma people can't get access to the toilet room. They can only take bits of the toilet room.
And no, about to a craft for no tomorrow.
But
yes, rest on penny for the Fabio. Now, so call this why I don't know could Jan Ho.
And you're there. And yes, it is not your personal property.
We are quite why business our back as a parliament. Yet, chair branch TV. Now, what dear Ferria, their parliament, and I'll go to the toilet. Said Rumuja when they are. Do you want to buy your wheels on walk on walk of
now, okay, what kind of be more HIV gay? Negative, positive, my
was answered him.
Hey, was it for somebody in the
I didn't.
I almost say, or so much a bass, Muse, or Disca was catching.
Sorry, no, this man. I
wasn't putting for one hope.
I almost
for man.
Almost the gun and putting for.
Not one I
was saying, I'm somebody who could jail forever.
Yeah, man, so now you're on back. You rather kill herself from me, or free gas or me to suicide.
Picture me by now. Would you want to
go to just your bed into a committee or committee?
Yakubu. Hey,
Yakubu wadara.
Atiafa so. Okay, and ye train say Yakubu be ban ye fast like say ma your proud sponsors and they foforo be kan kra tile fix cement. Kama pa. Ya we nya bia. De ye ne say boaw na o Yakubu aba. Yakubu.
Hello, Accra.
Mo ani now. We gina here ni.
I'm roaming in Accra to ascertain the traffic situation, brother.
I like that. It you ascertain and if I say what do you?
Is that because the brother who came at the new plan station where come at 7 traffic in Aswano. Every new plan station was a 7 just a honor. I very tight as a Jenny 442. We are share and I feel so also I stand up fire down on Momoda highway no one Kazanga and it's on a quite them. Now, I was a minister who call a highway news or a of Uncle Highway news on Brother. Many drag to be assessed or Esquire as well as that. Can send us a see or what a pantabation for Benipon Canam Kuitaka pure. And now they call a Tantra Hills to run about no Tantra Hill run about a crowd and Martin Yoko of Uncle Sidra. And also Kaba because assess to another packet and also a panum. Oba St. John's to a highway news or a taxi just as you are Pitany. Highway news will be any can ask you to take on or a papa, a typical crack, not just a with them. Nobody when you plan a highway news to a Bolaka Biswa station and also a Bashas been for and Shanam Concoyet Academy. Tesano police station, bus stop walk, where they buy a Kajan and so. Kai Bisu as an be do a self-filling station on Kaja Station, Quine 50 and Kazanga, Quine 50, and I can't assess you am the tiny two, and I can't say quite sick. Correct. Nti ebese za mo hwe na mo ko itaka na access sister kwa no mu na nti sa na say take krawa and you bet ya na say this are not happen again. It is in the pipeline and near kaka nti ebese za mo hwe na mo yes ani ma na nti bra Jerry any the traffic situation in base na near better wa say bebre
yes you da se pa bebre ansana metro aso de ya boafo no nkra to no ato aso no kwame asembi ha me
catch me say ya
ebina na mubaraka kan sisi it looks as if say we are not serious as a country at all.
Serious quite understatement.
The way I hear name be ukumu.
We just don't care.
It looks as if say hwinfo bia eti the BCBNC one mind not just say I said no one is in charge.
Yeah.
Obia we na said the SS so hwe na oye. Ye ukumu ya na yete say National Road Safety Commission for any police for yi aka bom amomo akoto ye the tracks be bro mo akese yes say articulator cross say esi kwan mu a sa machines no betimi atwe na fi kwan mu said the be ya accident esi who guys parliamentarian be we as a result of car esi kwan mu de kobo mu an said the be anke betimi avoid sa de we na kwame it is a project no ne kwakwa ne saying
we play too many games in this
Charlie can you believe say enra yet studio hey akaka krama Sandy Abama baby ye be Filano. And we had an info say baller car. Someone actually tweeted it. It was on Twitter. Say baller car be atiashi e wo moto we no so. I'm a baller no go. I'm a anti a huge traffic aba. It me put me can say oh anyway there me nkofa wo na wan me do no. I was thinking say e bedu anadwo sa time no po there na they've done something about it. Could you believe say enra me point no man ko fie straight. I waited because I was doing something. As late as best a you baby a me coffee no. me cause me do about work traffic at once me who dey me and say what is happening here me den kakra masa me di musa kakra enti stress and crofo come at their offices no nipa pon adwuma wie na okofia call rest to gain strength and come back to work again the next day. Then you have to go through another stress like this.
All because baller will coin him.
All because baller can't teach you motorway no so. And you need any equipment be able to be yimpo and they are too coining fee so that road will be clear for others to go.
This is Accra.
What is this?
It's where SCO.
Now your team Accra motorway. I should say you need penny for Kromu. I was like, oh, enti on my bay Kran your team. Akratema. How long, how many hours and a bit take it to even get that thing off the road? Now you do one more, bola you go on a bola can down, and of course, masa traffic plan at that time of the night.
The problem is this.
What is this?
We don't punish people
for refusing
to do what they are supposed to do.
It is whose job to see to it say Adibi say here be no nipa kona ya why na e twa nipa kona so
how na problem ne wono
na ya koto to sa cars we say security akwa si I mean bola kan enye kese bia sa o sa zoom line for the bia ka enye kese bia sa
bola car be na so say on my way bola car be na so say on my
way anti me equipment bia any heavy duty ai bia betimi atwa what is this me na me bampo kra me mama what is this
kwaku street light I can't want to me
I mean we all love this country but I do baby mutimi na fe say
amen kwaku due
it's not nice
kwaku barika de sala why barika de sala Fabia Sala,
it's too bad.
Kwaku na yanka part na wasem kakra sala.
Part in there be as we be ya there.
Okay, me can walk no. Papa walk no da ben.
Walk no
27th
of July.
Enti enye
ye be share wa yi mensa.
Ayi mensa. Na ye invite Ghana fo nyina impo. Wo amano na betimi aba. Ye share wa yi mensa ya fro pedu ase pepo no. Akọ the Lord's Tavern. Na ye ko didi ho na mu nkomo kakra. Ene ma be be si ho wa ma bia wa ye ho. Enti obi amfa ne ho nyim. Ba cha oba Kabani Street to combat. Ye fa nko walk. Ati say sorry bi okromo amon say tries. En for Kabani Street any combat emma ho. Say sports kit kama. Aye nyina ye nko.
And I gated all white end of year party so be baso. No 29th of
December. Make ata dey say kwa ho ye be Papa me dance. Aerobics be koso. Aerobics ni ye abiba up, abiba down. Now say street ni kaba.
And you bet very good abiba. Okay, so today sana today is the birthday of our daughter Erana Jomo Nuaki.
Dromo.
Enye Dromo. Me na make ade also say Dromo. Jomo esno Dromo. Masa Obi Dina da na person be say Dino.
Anya voice no don't find meaning in come.
Okay, mumwan why. Erana Jomo Nuaki Tetefiu and your birthday Brainy Band School. We show all the best. Ni Udoy and then Theresa. Almost Sunday we at the buyer say ne udu birthday na fi happy birthday so come Prophet Isaac Asiedu or Living Presence Hacho branch from Mimi Amanfo Edu of Double Crest Boutique on the Springtest Road. Now I think that also a Prophet say birthday. Prophet say former Prophet Prince Elisha say of Blessed Generation Ministry. Happy birthday to you, Prof. Yamin ka ono yo kese. Bye. To say the name kano. Tile fix cement. We no ena unhia. Ya che say you produce no your maimu ya Tylon Ghana Company Limited. Yeah, we know Ghana Standards Authority for are certified. Kama pa. Each bag be 15 kilograms, not containing high quality wall and floor tile, adhesive. Yeah, suitable for all ceramic and marble tiles. Kama pa. They are available in all tile and then cement shops Accra anytime babia na Otobia unya free transport for bulk purchase that's from the factory to any destination within Accra and Tema. You betray the amount free wabra untua transportation there. No, so for long lasting tiling solution, my tile fix and your answer. Tile fix quality for less. Born in Yedin, but it's of the highest quality. Contacted Tylon Ghana Company Limited. Ewa Ashali Butche. Frey 0244 421 635. That's 0244 421 635. And after 0244 274 363. That's 0244 274 363. If you're not as there, a do on your farmer sasso insecticide spray in the coil. Unyabia na ama bibia ku we the amount tontum ni ntumu bia etimi entetemo mobeda afili na bibia nso akoyi kama e de amam e wa bra o ha bia